Hello, this is Saifuddin, and today I'm going to teach you how you'll be able to create the signature for your email inbox. Also, I will teach you how you'll be able to create the automated reply for your email. So in this video, I will show you this signature, how you can create it very easily. So it's a very easy process. If you can follow it within 3 or 4 minutes, then you will be able to understand perfectly how you can set up this professional signature for your email inbox. So here we just need a Google Sheet, and here we have a inbox interface of email where we will set up our professional signature. And first we need a Google Sheet, right? So here we should take a table from here, like for 2 rows and 2 columns is enough for this one. So first we can see from this image we need a image here. So from in the bottom we see there is noted warm stickers, right? So we should set up that as well as a word warm rigor, something like that. Then we can place here a comma, and then we need the image first, so we can take the image from our inbox. Here we can copy and paste here, right? So we can just drag and smaller as much as possible as good looks good. So we can just small it. So here I'll set up here, so we can input the information like AME onboarding specialist, something like that. All the contact information we should input in the second column. So here I already wrote this text and names and phone numbers, everything. So we can just copy and paste here. So here, as we can see here, the onboarding specialty is, we should give it the bold and this one, and we have this one in one line. So for example, so here you can give another. So I think this was in one line, right? So now we should import the social media icons as well. So how we'll be able to do that? It's very easy. So we can just copy the social medias. Say for example, copy this one first, the Facebook, and paste here. So it's really big. So we should just drag and drop to small it as much as possible, and it looks beautiful. So we can just copy another one and just paste here. This one is also very big. We can just drag and drop as possible. We can make it smaller. I think it looks good. So we can copy on more LinkedIn and just paste here. They're also big, then drag and drop in as small as much possible here. So I think it looks good. So here the last one we can copy and paste here, right? So I think it also looks good. Everything is similar to each other. So we have set up everything from this. We can, if we need that, we can just make it smaller. So I think it will be looks better and make it more professional. Yes, that's definitely looks professional. So we should actually make the signature as much as professional, because we will submit this different high profiles persons will send our email. So we should definitely our signature should have very much professional. So I think it's look good, and we need to it looks good better. So we can just make a no, not actually. So here we should also, if you have a banner, a business banner, something like that, or if you have any offer or discount, something like that, that you can put it down as well. So here I have a banner as well to put down below. We can just merge this cell from here, and we can copy the banner from here and just paste here. So it's very easy. So I think our email is something like the picture. So I think so we're in the right way. So we can very easily remove the table from here so that we cannot actually we don't need this. So actually, so we can remove the line, just select the line from here and just make it 0 PD, so which will be disappear from the line. So here select the one and we can select it as well, all items. So something like that, something like that, select all and everything. And just how you will be able to select all, just press the shift button and then just click every single line and just make it 0 PD. So I think I'll remove. So we have a very good professional emails here, though we have not link in these icons as well. So where you will be able to download this icon, or you will be able to download this icon from flaticon.com, where you will find huge amount of icons. So we will import the social media links later after importing this text into the email. So just from here, copy this email and go to this email inbox. You should go to the settings and see all settings, and you should go down and you will find an option here that create a signature. So here first you will have to import the names. You can put any names here. So I'm just putting Amy. So just creating a signature here. You can create multiple signatures here. I'm just creating one. So we actually did copy a message which actually we just created, and just you can just simply paste here. So here you can see your everything pasted here successfully. Okay, so you can just save from here, save changes. I believe this magic will save successfully. So well set up. So we can see from here, compose an email, then we can test the signature is working or not. Yes, the signature is working perfectly. Here actually, we should put a space here. If we put a space from here, then I think we can get a better result, right? So when you will do that, then you should put a space here, then I think it will work perfectly. So here one more things we actually left, how we'll be able to uh, link the social media link with the icons. So here you can simply just go down and just select this one. You can select it from shift and back arrow. So if you have a Facebook link, then you can just copy and go here, just this one, copy, and how just save it, and you will see that the signature is appear here. So I think this one is working, right? So when you will send this email somebody, then somebody will be able to click these icons and will redirect to the exact link. Okay, so now I will show you how you will be able to set up the automated message replay. So here's have option, you will find the bottom, that is the automatic replay. So you can set up the automated replay. So normally we need the automatic replay at duration time, actually, when we are out of our desk. So that time actually we need the automatic replay, right? So here we can create an automated replay. So for this you need a message, right? So you can create a message depending on your availability. So actually it's different each other. So we need to set a subject line here, so you know about that, like out of office today, out of office today Sunday, or you can create out of its automated replay, something like that. Yes. So say for example we're writing that hello, hello, thank you for your email, and we can write I am currently out of the office and will not have access, something like that, access to my email, something like that we can put here. I will be unable to respond to your message until my return. So we can write anything here. And if you require something like that, we can put here, we can reference somebody. If you require immediate assistance, then we can put please contact. Then actually we can put a colleague name here, something like that. Colleagues names here, colleagues name here. You can put here colleagues names, okay? So then thanks for understanding, something like that we can put here. Thank you for your understanding, something like that we can put here, okay? Best triggers Amy. So that's all. If you just only send in my okay, that's for a while. So who will message you, and you will be out of desk from this time duration, from the first day and until the next day. So then between that time, if somebody messages you, then everybody will get a message from you that you are out of your desk. Okay, so just simply click here, save changes. So we actually have seen that from this video that how you will be able to create the automated message replay, as well as how you can create a professional signature for your inbox. So thank you for watching this video.